car more than anything that I had.
Dad, what about us?
You need a Q-tip?
And a good Thursday morning, live from Prestige Motorsports, Foxtoberfest. What a way to kick it off, man. What a way to kick it off with these beauties. What a way. Let's see here. Scheduled to start at 12. It's about 11:30 right now. We already got a crowd here. And this is the new Prestige Motorsports location, which I'm excited to see this. Definitely much bigger. They're not sharing, you know, the businesses with everybody else. So we got the whole spot to ourselves now. This damn car is so beautiful right here. So, ooh, thing is gorgeous. But look at the color spread though. Gotta love it. We got John and Celine. What's up? Good morning, baby. Man, they're starting to come in now though. I know this car right here, man. This is a beauty. Let's wait till some more cars pour in. Wait till this parking lot fills, because it always does. This is the first, there was another parts farm I believe we didn't make it to, but we'll be going here for a few hours and we'll be going straight to the bash at the brewery, Underglow Nation. See you guys in a few. We got some more coming in. Boy, does that sucker sound good. I think that man drove that car from Wisconsin. He drove it. Look at these. Golly. Coming in, coming in. Let's get that. More coming in. Something in there. Yes, sir. You already know I love this stuff. See what we got coming up next. Rolling in deep and quick now. Some gorgeous cars. You know, this is why I love Foxtoberfest. Man. What better spot to stand than right here? Yeah, look at them welds too.
See,
yeah, baby.
That's supposed to be like a calypso, but
yeah.
Like a different green. So we got like a
yeah. Ooh, that baby looks nice in the sun. That sure does.
Yo, I had 4 of them. 4. Green interior, black interior.
I saw that post and was like, oh man. Golly, I mean, I hope this thing shows up on the camera the way I'm seeing it with my eyes. That is a gorgeous color. Whew. I'll get it. I'll take it. Man, I love that model right there. Ooh, baby. Boy, sounded good too. Ooh. Well, it's about 12:30 or so. I mean, half an hour into it technically, and it's already filling up the lot. I think we're gonna go inside, check things out, wait till even more cars get here, and we'll come back out and see what's going on. Take the full tour.
Yeah, baby, come on.
Catch up with you soon. One of my favorites right there. Nice sized crew right here. She got a nice purr to it. I like that. Damn it, I love that color. Just hits in the sun. We got one more. I got a nice little coupe coming in. Man, at first glance, this new building is, I mean, the last one was awesome, but this one is amazing. And all the cars they got in here. Sorry if you're only all about the Fox bodies. You might want to skip over this part. I mean, man. Oh, they could have taken the bubble wrap off. Yeah, man, these guys at Prestige, they don't mess around. I mean, they got all kinds of goodies going on here. And I'm sure that they're still getting moved in. And yeah, but these guys are legit. There's no doubt. And they're so gracious to host us every single year. They put together a food spread. I mean, they're an organized, clean shop. I think there's another side we'll wind up going in at some point, but we'll see. I mean, these guys put together a beautiful spread for us every single time. So gracious. I mean, you got the good food line, but this is what they do. Be sure and check them out. They're worth a look. It's like the Fox Body pasture. I've always been a guy that actually likes parking on grass. Some people are all pissy about it. But for me personally, I think it just adds a cool element to it, parking on grass. Yeah, they got the whole area back here. I mean, they were ready for whatever amount of cars end up coming. We're gonna wind up leaving here a little early, so we probably won't see that filled up. But that just means we're gonna be at the brewery and be able to see everybody pulling in. And I'm sure that there'll be a lot of cars that'll be coming to the brewery that are not here now. And here's the boss lady making her grand entrance in the coupe that she's raffling off. Win this Fox. Which, of course, I'm going to wind up getting myself some raffle tickets for that for sure. Because how do you not? Little coupe. Oh, yeah. But that right there is the girl that makes all this stuff happen. Man, she's filling up a little bit back here for sure. It's only about 1:30 or so. What's up, Jesse? Figure we'll take a quick walk through the parking lot and see what we got. God, I love that car. She's a pretty one right there. Got my boy Billy's car sitting quietly for a rare occasion. Usually it's barking all kind of noise. Got Deb in the vert. She's out. She gone. Man, I'll tell you what. Let me get in here right quick. His passenger's hungry. Won't feed the damn passenger, but man. And we'll get some better of this probably Saturday. But man, I'll tell you what. This interior in this car is worth an entire look over of it. It is so custom and so perfect. Yeah, but Mike, he'll be able to let us get in there and look at that later. God, look at that color. Whew. Man, is that color kick-ass. Nice Cobra. We got a Cobra R. It's like the red section over here. Got a couple of these cars as they were pulling in. One day someday, right here. One day someday. Oh man, top 10 favorite Fox body right here. Debate me in the comments if you got something to say. I love that car. It's the autism awareness car. Love seeing that thing. Man, is that gorgeous. This is the type of stuff right here that gives me the motivation to put that in my car. People always ask me, oh, Jason, why you want to coyote swap your car? Well, that's why. Right there. Oh, yeah. See what we got going on over here. What's happening? Oh, the weather, the cars. What's happening? Hell yeah. Man, another one of my favorites right there. Never thought a color combo like that would work, but man, it is badass. What's happening, buddy? My New York brothers. Rolling with the teal cobra theme. Well, they're one down. They're getting it together. You got Shelby's car. You got my car. She's looking all right. She's clean. Man, this thing pops. Yeah, we got an empty spot. They left early, and I don't know where they're heading, but they got something else to go do before we get to the brewery. But yeah, I'll tell you what, man, we got a hell of a spread here at the Prestige Motorsports. Last year's half and half best in show winner. Man, love that damn car right there. That thing is sweet. That thing is sweet. But yeah, we're going to probably end up packing up and getting out here soon to go to the brewery. Get ready for that. But guys, this is the Prestige Motorsports Open House 2024. On to the next one. Just like that, we're out.
Subscribe, motherfucker.